Magcubic HY310, an affordable, portable projector for home entertainment. The Magcubic HY310 is a highly sought-after, budget-friendly portable projector that offers an excellent home cinema experience. This model stands out with its built-in Android 11 system, which allows users to directly install streaming apps and watch content from a USB drive without needing an external device. It also features dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4 for easy connectivity to wireless speakers or screen sharing. The projector delivers a surprisingly good image quality with a native 1080p resolution, 4K signal compatibility, and a brightness of 330 ANSI lumens, which is well suited for low-light environments. A key convenience feature is its autofocus function, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Additionally, the projector includes voice control and an Air mouse, which are rare features in this price range. While its integrated speaker is functional but basic, it can be easily connected to a soundbar or Bluetooth speaker for a significantly better audio experience. The Magcubic HY310 is ideal for those who want a simple, portable, and hassle-free cinema setup for their home, terrace, or even while traveling. It's an excellent value proposition, providing solid performance for its low price point.